All right, here we're doing lesson 26, page 14. We're going to create the player sprite. Just like the item sprites, the player sprite will fall from the top of the screen. Unlike the items, your player sprite will get faster as it falls, just like a real falling object. This is what allows it to jump up and fall back down. All right, use create sprite block to make a player and set animation. Okay, that's the easiest thing. In the starting position from my worksheet. All right, let's see. So let's create my player. I'm going to call it player. You can call it alien. You can call it whatever you want. I like to call it player. I'm going to set the animation. And I wanted to start like up, like above the thing. So let's see. If I made the X 200 right in the middle and the Y is 0, I could probably do that. There he is. And actually, it starts even a little bit above. I could make it like maybe -10. And then it'll kind of drop down, okay? So I'm going to create a player fall function that makes a sprite fall from the top of the screen. The code inside the function should use velocity y in a counter pattern, just as when you made the falling rock in lesson 21, level 4. You know what I'm going to do? I'm going to go steal that code in a minute. So first of all, I'm going to create a player fall function. Grab my function, drag it all the way down to the bottom. Actually, I can just put it like right here. All right, here we go. It doesn't matter where you put it. All right, player fall. All righty. Now, watch what I do. I am going to go look. They gave me a link to another page. That's usually golden. Let's click on it and see what happens. Come on, computer, hurry up and load. Uh-oh. I never did this one. Oh, heavens to Betsy. They're making us go back to stuff we've done. All right, so that's not going to help me right now. That might help some of you, but I do know how to fix this. What I'm going to do is I'm going to give it a counter pattern. So watch. So this is going to make my player fall. Where is it? Player fall, there it is. And I'm going to give it a velocity. And then I'm going to use my math. And that I did that wrong. That's supposed to be velocity y, not sprite.y. A lot of people make that mistake. So plus, let's see. Now, I don't want it to fall too fast, but I want it to fall fast enough to make the game challenging. So I'm going to do 0.5. Now, if I run this, he ain't fallen yet, even though my code is there. Well, this is my function. I never called my function. So watch what I do. I grab a function thing, this little one, calls it. Now it should work. There we go, I got it. And I can make him fall faster or slower. If I made it 0.25, it'd be slower. All depends on how challenging you want to make the game. I want it a little bit more challenging, so I'm going to make it 0.5. Now at this point, I'm going to make sure I've done everything they've told me to. Let's see, I gave it the correct image. I did a player fall function. I run the code. I tested my sprite. That dude is falling. I called the player. Okay, I did everything. All right, that's it. Bada bing, bada boom.